Alright, so you guys know me. I've been up all night. Not him. Him. My beauty. Of course, you know I'm gonna finish this right now because I'm a lunatic. Let's get it going on. And I also made a video for you guys, Seagulls. They're like right out there, but I can't get them without getting everybody's license plate, but I got them. I walked down there. Freaking beautiful. Not you. Why do they always stick him in there? Him. No. Yeah, him. Drive me nuts. I love Sebastian. Stop it. Oh, God. It's just ridiculous what they did to him all this time. They put that dude in front always. Nothing is like that voice, and I am really privileged to have sung him in my bands. Oh my Lord. Okay, this may seem strange, but look at all these seagulls. It's so cool. They're beautiful. They're just, I don't know if you guys can see. If I hold still, maybe. Yeah, it's raining. I don't care. It's spring. It's supposed to rain. Oh, did I get someone else's list? Oh, good, I didn't. I made a video before this of them, but everybody's license plates were in it, and then the thing wouldn't let me erase the license plates. And that tree's conveniently blocking that license plate. This is so cool. Look at the little couple walking there. Wait a minute, I'll try to get it. Little kids play here. Like, it's beautiful.